Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see in the title, we are basically going to be doing an entire makeup tutorial using all Tarte cosmetics. I literally have everything Tarte cosmetics. I have their concealer, their eyeshadow palettes, everything. I'm also, some of this might actually not be my shade, I don't know. They swatched me, but I don't know. Cause you know how sometimes you swatch and then the makeup person thinks that it's your shade, but it's not whenever you get home and you put it all over your face. We're just gonna have to learn this together. I even have like their beauty blenders. So I am really excited to hop into this. I even have like lashes, but I don't think I'm going to put on lashes today. I don't know, I like to save, because lashes are expensive. I kind of like to save lashes for really special occasions. So I might have to save these bad boys. Anywho, I'm excited. I got my coffee here and we're just gonna go ahead and hop into the tutorial. But first I need to wet my beauty blender. Awesome. Okay, so I need to lay all this out and figure out what I have and what I need. I literally have enough makeup here to probably last me a year. Like, this is amazing. I already have moisturizer on my face, so we're gonna start with the primer. Whoa, do you guys see this? I don't know if it's supposed to look like this or if I just messed something up, but that is really cool. It's like a mousse. Maybe I should read the directions on this. I don't know how to use all this. There's not directions. So we are going to wing it. Like, I just don't know, is it for the whole face? It says timeless smoothing primer, but I don't know if it's for the whole face or if it's just for the eyes. So we're only gonna put it on the eyes just in case. We also have a Double Wear Beauty. This is a base tape. It's a hydrating primer base. I'm gonna skip this one. For foundation, I have two different shades. So I have, let's see. So we have light medium sand and light medium honey. So we're gonna see which one is my shade. You can kind of see, you guys look. Oh shoot, I don't remember which one was which. I will figure this out. Okay, so this one is the light medium honey. Yeah, so this is light medium honey, and then this is light medium sand. So I'm kind of leaning towards, well, let's try it on the actual face. So we have the sand, and then we have the honey. Oh, actually, we're gonna go with the honey. You know, why not? If it's not my shade, it's not my shade. They're both so close to my skin color, I'm sure either one would work, which is actually kind of nice because if you think about it, once I run out of this, I could just switch over to the other shade. I like how smooth it makes my face look. Oh, your girl is getting some pictures after this. This is so great. Switching over to concealer, I actually have 3 different shades, I believe. So I have the light medium, the light beige, and the light medium sand. Now we need to figure out which one of these shades are mine. We're just gonna put them all in my eyes and see which one works the best. We're gonna use a mixture of light beige and light medium sand. I don't know if this is acceptable, and I feel like if a Tarte Cosmetics beauty expert is watching this, they're probably judging me so hard. Now that I have this on my face, this actually is the shade that I should be wearing. Like, this is my shade. Oh, I'm hoping on camera this looks just as good as it does right now, because I really like this. Okay, I am obsessed. Now we're going to try to set this as fast as possible so I don't get any wrinkles. This is a setting powder, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm actually not going to use, so they give us a little sponge. I'm not gonna use that. We're good. My skin looks so good, and I'm gonna tell you, my skin did not look like this like 10 minutes ago. So this is a Shape Tape setting powder, and this is a translucent tan deep. So I think this is actually meant to be a setting powder, but I think I thought this was a bronzer, and I don't think it is. Yeah, I definitely thought that this was a bronzer. Hold on, this actually might not be. Well, it says translucent, but doesn't translucent mean that there's no color? I'm very confused. So we're gonna try this and see if I can use this tan deep translucent powder as a bronzer. We shall see. But I literally thought the whole meaning of translucent means no color. Okay, we'll see. It actually doesn't look bad. Now my forehead is a little strong, so we're just gonna take this beauty blender. I might add more bronzer bronzer in a bit, but I think this looks so good for right now. I'm using my favorite blush. So I have known this has been my favorite blush for years now. You usually get it in the Sephora birthday gift. So this is the shade Tarte. I just think it's like it is the perfect color for my skin tone. I did just realize that I don't have a highlight from like a highlight that goes right here from Tarte. So we're going to have to improvise. I'm not cheating at all. So we'll probably just try to use eyeshadow for a highlight, but we're gonna wait until the very end to figure that out. We're gonna move on to my eyes. So I am going to be using the Tartist. Is that how you say it? Tartist? I don't know. I'm gonna call it Tartist. The Tartist Pro Remix. The colors in here, let me open it up for you, are so pretty. This is my first time ever using this palette, so it's kind of a first impression. I usually stick to purples or coppers or reds or browns or like that kind of, like I try to keep it as neutral as possible, but I like these copper colors, so we are going to use them. I'm putting the color Mic Drop in my outer corner. Whoa, this color is so pretty. This is definitely copper. This is so pigmented, I love it. Okay, and then we're gonna use, why not? We're gonna use Sway and put that just right on the lid. Why not, you know? Let's get some yellow on the inside. It's called Outside the Lines. I love this. This looks so good. Okay, cool. We're gonna call it quits here while we're ahead. You guys might not think this is that exciting, but I am so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that copper color and like brush it underneath my eye. I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm very, very proud of myself. Now we are going to be taking, I actually have two different, oh sick, I have stuff to do brows too. Okay, so we're going to do the brows first. So this is the Busy Gal Brows. I hope this is in my shade. Because I feel like this is supposed to be, well, no, it's called Busy Gal Brow, so I'm assuming you just brush it over for like a quick brow look. We might have to fix these later. I feel like I'm just making it worse at this point. I might have just made this so much worse. Okay, well, we're just gonna go with it for now. And now onto mascara. So I have two different eyelash mascara. What am I saying? I have two mascaras here. So this one is the Tartist. This is just the lash paint. And then this one here is the Lights Camera Lashes. So I'm gonna use a mixture of both. I'm a big fan of using two mascaras, especially because it's nice that I already have long lashes. If I put on a lot of mascara, half the time it already looks like I have fake eyelashes on. No, did anyone else just see that? Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit more concealer on that in just a second. Other than the fact that I have mascara on my nose right now, this looks so freaking good. I can't tell you the last time I sat down and did my makeup and spent this much time on my makeup. I wish I had someplace to be. I'll probably film a couple more videos after this because I don't wanna let this makeup look go to waste. I'm hoping, because I'm so far away from the camera right now, I'm hoping that it looks good, but in real life, it looks good. Yes, okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next coat of mascara, which now we're using the Tartist mascara. This looks so good. I never want to take this off. Like, this looks amazing. So now I have a couple more things that I need to do before this tutorial is all over. I just realized I have not been drinking my coffee at all, and it's cold. But I want to add the color Inspiration to underneath my brow. We're gonna actually take that exact same color and we're gonna use it as a highlight because I have not cheated this entire tutorial. This has all been Tarte Cosmetics. So I am not going to start now. So we're going to use Inspiration and eyeshadow as my highlight. And then we're gonna do the same to the other side. Now the last thing I just gotta do is my lips. So the only color that I have from Tarte at the moment is this one here. As you can see, hold on, I'm gonna get closer to the camera. As you can see, it's very coppery. I don't know how this is gonna look while I also have some copper on my eyes, so I don't know if it's going to look really good or look really bad. I'm more of a neutral lip gal. So I'm just gonna say this right now. It is very pigmented. And I think if you liked the color, that's not a bad thing. Not sure how I feel about the color, but it's not bad. It doesn't look bad, guys. I feel like I did such a good job. Holy crap. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the lip color. The consistency of the actual lip gloss is awesome. I just am not the biggest fan of this shade, but I think it goes well with the look. This looks amazing, and like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the lip color, but the actual like lip stain I love. Like, what is this anyway? This is Rainforest of the Sea. This is called Sea Glass. It doesn't really say what it is, but anyhow, I love the consistency of it. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my lips, but obviously I do. So no, this is amazing. I love this. So comment down below what you guys think of my little makeup look that I did today. I am obsessed, so I'm gonna go take some selfies. If you guys have not hit the subscribe button, please, please, please do. And I also wanna go ahead and give a big shout out to Tarte Cosmetics. Thank you so much for making this tutorial happen and this makeup look happen. I don't even wanna call it a tutorial, because honestly, it wasn't really a tutorial. It was more of a, let's, you know, suffer through this together. Let's figure this out together kind of a thing. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will see you in a couple days. Bye.